We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign socialist, secular democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello everyone, myself Anuradha Gupta from NSS unit of Vivekanand Education Society's College of Arts, Science and Commerce. I am feeling great privilege to say that we are here to celebrate and talk about our prestigious Constitution of India. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. The document lays down the framework demarcating fundamental political code, structure, procedures, powers, and duties of government institutions, and sets out fundamental rights, directive principles, and the duties of citizens. Now, let's have an Indian pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of our nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. The original Constitution of India was handwritten by Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada in a following italic style with beautiful calligraphy. The Constitution was published in Dehradun and photolithographed by the Survey of India. The Constitution itself is divided into three major parts: the preamble, 7 articles, and amendments. At the time of its adoption, the Constitution contained 395 articles and 8 schedules and was about 1,45,000 words long, making it the longest national constitution to ever be adopted. Now, my partner Sheetal Jaiswal will continue with the further slides.
7 fundamental rights were originally provided by the Constitution: the right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to property, and right to constitutional remedies. There are 6 fundamental rights recognized by the Indian Constitution: right to equality, Article 14 to 18, right to freedom, Article 19 to 22, right against exploitation, Articles 23-24, right to freedom of religion, Article 25 to 28, cultural and educational rights, Article 29-30, and right to constitutional remedies, Article 32. 5 main duties of citizens of India: support and defend the Constitution, stay informed of the issue affecting your community, participate in the democratic process, respect and obey federal, state, and local laws, Respect the rights, beliefs, and opinion of others. Participate in your local community. Now, let's have a small glimpse on the Constitution Day celebrated last year in our college auditorium.
जय हिंद। कविता का नाम है हमारा संविधान, जहां विभिन्न भाषाओं लोगों की भरमार है, जहां लोगों को देश पे मर मिटने का गुमार है, जहां अतिथि देवो भव का हमें अभिमान है। इतना महान मेरा देश मेरा संविधान है, जहां छोटा हो या बड़ा सबका सत्कार है, जिसने परिश्रम की राह की स्वीकार है, जहां वसुधैव कुटुंबकम का हमें अभिमान है। इतना महान मेरा देश मेरा संविधान है, जहां सबको प्राप्त समान अधिकार है, मझधार में बनी जिसकी पतवार है, जहां अनेकता में भी एकता का वरदान है। इतना महान मेरा देश मेरा संविधान है।
The Constitution is not a mere lawyer's document. It is the vehicle of life, and its spirit is always the spirit of. I measure the progress of the community by the degree of progress which the women have achieved. These slogans are given by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Thank you, and once again, Happy Constitution.
सभी भारतवासियों को संविधान दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज के इस पावन अवसर पर मैं आप सभी को एक कविता सुनाना चाहती हूँ। संविधान हमारा, सैकड़ों भाषा और विधान हमारा, मान सम्मान हमारा और अभिमान हमारा, देश का नेतृत्व करने वाला यह प्रधान हमारा है, कानून की दलील स्वतंत्रता का मील हमारा है, शहीदों की कुर्बानी से लिखा यह ग्रंथ हमारा है, 70 साल से हमारे मौलिक अधिकारों की रक्षा करता ये संविधान हमारा है, देश हमारा है। जय हिंद। शहीदों के लहू की स्याही से ये संविधान बना है, हर दिन संभाल के रखो, मेरा देश महान बना है। जय हिंद, जय भारत।